That statement perfectly captures a feeling that is backed by overwhelming scientific evidence. It's not just a feeling, it's a documented reality. The world is indeed getting hotter, and the trend is accelerating. Let's break down what it is getting hot and hotter means, why it's happening, and what the consequences are. 1. The hot, record-breaking heat waves. What you're likely feeling and seeing in the news are more frequent and intense heat waves. Shattered records, cities and countries around the world are regularly breaking all-time high temperature records. Temperatures that were once considered extreme are becoming the new normal for summer heat domes. We're seeing more persistent high-pressure systems that trap hot air over a region for days or even weeks, creating what's known as a heat dome. Longer duration. Heat waves are not just hotter, they are lasting longer, putting sustained stress on people, power grids, and ecosystems. 2. The hotter, the underlying global trend. This isn't just about a few bad summers. The heat is part of a long-term global warming trend. The greenhouse effect on overdrive human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas, have released enormous amounts of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, and methane into the atmosphere. A thicker blanket. These gases act like a heat-trapping blanket around the Earth. More gas means a thicker blanket, which traps more of the sun's heat and causes the planet's average temperature to rise. Consistent warming. The last 8 years to 1520 have been the 8 warmest on record globally. The trend line is undeniably going up. 3. The hottest. The accelerating consequences. The continuous warming is pushing Earth systems into overdrive, with effects that go far beyond just feeling hot. Direct consequences of the heat. Melting ice and glaciers. The Arctic is warming 2 to 3 times faster than the rest of the planet. Ice sheets in Greenland and Antarctica are melting at an alarming rate, pouring trillions of tons of water into the oceans, rising sea levels. This has a twofold cause: the meltwater from ice sheets and the fact that water expands as it warms, thermal expansion. This threatens coastal communities and ecosystems worldwide. More extreme weather. The extra energy in the atmosphere and oceans is supercharging weather events. Droughts. Higher temperatures increase evaporation, drying out soil and leading to more severe and widespread droughts. Wildfires. Hot, dry conditions create a perfect tinderbox for wildfires that are larger, more intense, and harder to control. Intense rainfall and flooding. A warmer atmosphere can hold more moisture. When it does rain, it can lead to catastrophic downpours and flooding, as we've seen in many parts of the world. Stronger hurricanes. Hurricanes and cyclones draw their energy from warm ocean water. Hotter oceans act as fuel, making these storms more powerful and destructive.